Hello viewers, this is a continuation to a video or the continuation of a video I made previously titled how to add JavaScript to my website or to my project. Well, let's open up the project and check what's missing in the project. Yeah. Let's go to where the project is. Yes, it was titled, I think, yes, javascript.html. Let's run it and see. Yes, here, this is the project. Remember the other time we had to do the zooming with our hands. We had to zoom it with our hands without using our hands to zoom it. It won't zoom in or out. And we made a button to just magnify it. Look, it works once. So now if you join me in doing this project and your button works once and you want it to perform more things at the same time while being only without having to add the second button, which wouldn't even work if you add it. Let's go back, and here is what you should do. You open up the source code, then you come over to this side, you come here, and then we add an if statement. Let's see. Let's choose a size for it. Let's not leave it plain like that. Let's still leave the ID at demo, and then give it font size of, let's say, 50px. Let's see. Let's run it and see what we have. Okay, it's now 50px. Okay. Now we can add. Oh, sorry, there was a mistake. We are supposed to add the style into it. Yeah, from here you add your style tag. I forgot. If you are following me, do the change now. You add your style tag, font size. Set font size to 50px on its own. And then we run it and see what it gives us. Please, if you are watching, subscribe to this channel. If you are having any question, drop it in the comment box. Yeah, it's now 50px. Now it's like way too big, and let's see what this button does now. The button reduces the size instead. So now let's come here and add an if statement to it. So we come here and type if x.style.font size equals, let's see, that was 50px we chose. Let's set the property to px equals 50px. Well, let's run and see what it gives us first. Okay, here is 50px that it gives us, and then this button no longer reduces it because a set of code has been put into it and we've not closed it yet. If x.style.font size equals 50px, x.style.font size equals 40px, close it here, and then we continue again. We add an else if statement. Else if x.style.font size equals 40px, that is this 40 that is on this line, 40px. Then we choose what we want it to carry out. If x.style.font size equals 40px, open our left curly bracket, then x dot style dot font size equals, let's see, 50px. Okay, let's say 45px. 45px. Let's 45 pixels, the size you want. Close the wavy bracket. Let's see what it gives us already. Yes, now the button does more than one thing now. At least it works twice. Then let's go ahead from 45px. Simply copy this code and paste it. Paste. 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 Then we come here and change this 40 to 45px, and then change this 45 to 50px. Please, while you are watching, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to this channel for more videos. If you're having any question, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Here now we change this 40px to the new 50px that was on this line. Then come here, type 55px. Then come here, if it's 55px, should change to 60px. 60px. And then we add an else statement. Else x dot style dot font size equals our 50px that was there before, 50px. Then we close it. Let's run it and see what it gives us. Please don't forget to like this video, share it if you like it, and subscribe to this channel. Let's see. Okay, it does what I want it to do. And we see that right now the same button we did that was just carrying out just a single function is now doing more than one thing. Just like this one, when you click it and it zooms all the way, zooms out all the way again. You click on it, it increases the font size. You click, it increases the font size. You click again, it reduces it. So if you join me in doing this little project, you beginner, you can just come back here, the source code, take it again from the beginning. You open your HTML tag, you open the head tag, your open title tag, your closing title tag, closing head tag, open body tag, your H1 ID. You could use demo or whatever you want to use, any other word you want to use. You set your size to 50px if you want, or you could change it. It doesn't have to be 50px. You could change it to 30px. Let's run it and see what it will give us. Please subscribe to this channel, share this video, invite other beginners, give them the link. Right now it's small. Right now I'm using my fingers to do the zooming. Yeah, let's make use of this button. Okay, now you all see it won't work because we've not added any of the conditions into this place. So right now let's add that 30px. Let's add it here and run it and see what it gives us. So watch this, do not make the same mistake. Let's see, it has increased it and keeps on increasing it, further increases it even more, keeps on increasing it, and then stops right there. So right now let's add another code that will make it to restore it to this our 30px here. Let's add it down here. You can copy this code if you are following me. Copy this very line of code, copy it, click your enter button, paste it here. Once you've pasted it, you now collect if x to size equals if x.style.font size equals 55px and this 60px here, you type 60px right here and then use this one to further increase it to even 65px. You are free to increase it to any number of pixels you want. Then this is the last line of code that will return it to its actual size, which is 30px. So let's run it and see what it gives us. Please subscribe to this channel, share the video and like it. If you're having any question, drop it in the comment box. Right now the text is 30px. We click on it, it magnifies it to about 40px. We click, it takes it to 45px. We click again, it takes it to 50px. We click, this is 55px. You click once more, it takes it to 60px. You click again, it goes further even to 65px. When you click, it stops right there. So now let's see what we have here. Okay, there's a mistake in this spelling. Let's go further and see why the code refused to reduce it to its actual size, which was 30px. So let's click 40px, 45px, 50px, 55px, 60px, 65px, and back to our 30px. So yeah, you beginner that is there, you can do it. It's something you can do. It keeps looping all over and all over again continuously. So if you are creating a project, maybe a website for those who have impairment of vision, and you are thinking of how to make your font size to be larger, maybe you want it to be this size at the beginning, this is the size you want at the beginning, and also you didn't know how to set it to become larger while on the same page, just follow me. You can do this. You can see it has increased. They choose the size they want the font size to be when it gets large, and like that they can continue, and then over and over again. And for you that's in my comment box, you drop the comment, you're asking how you could start your own, how you could start to code. You don't need a phone or a laptop. Just get anyone, whether a phone or a laptop. It doesn't have to be a laptop or a computer. Just get a phone. And by the way, in my next video I'll make a video to show you the basics of HTML and CSS styling and adding of JavaScript and everything. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it. Thank you.